Fixationists. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about how I edit my photos, and truly all I do is make them brighter, play with the contrast, and touch up the warmth, or touch down or tone down the warmth a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, and it's super duper easy. Where do I go? I open the file that I want to edit, and it just opens with my normal program. I go to adjustments, I open up my light and color, and this is just where I play with it because you guys know my office is really, really bright, but for some reason it doesn't always take the photo that way. So I just have to play with the color a little bit. Sometimes shadows show up, like what is this shadow right here? That's not there. Oops, that's not there in real life. But I definitely want to get rid of it, so let me just get rid of that shadow because that's not really there. There we go. This is still a little warm. Let's tone it down some. Oh, it's a little purple. Let's see, if I save it, oh, that's a big difference. What happens if I make it just a little bit brighter? Let's see, I'll turn up that, turn up this, turn down the shadows. That's a little better. The tint's a little, there we go, that's a little better. And I think that's what it looks like in real life when I look at it. What if I play with the warmth a little bit more? Yeah, I think that looks good. That's real life. All right. So I took it from a super dark photo to what my eye sees when I take the picture, just like that. Okay, good luck.